In late 2017, I read the book Annihilation by Jeff Vandermeer, and I've written about this in an article, this spiritual awakening that was kicked off from reading this book. The whole novel centers around this mysterious Area X and what's going on in there. And it's really creating like a fractalization of all of the nature, all of like the actual DNA of the surrounding nature. And in a way, it's sort of dissolving the blocks in our human consciousness and in animal consciousness that causes us to believe that we are separate. That it's like, we all come from the collective unconscious, and we are all a part of the collective unconscious. We might all be individual drops of water, but eventually we all dissolve back into that ocean of consciousness, which we were never truly separate from. We see this in the novel reflected in the actual flora and fauna of Area X. Beings begin, like animals begin to mutate, the plant life begins to mutate, everything is sort of morphing together and like alchemizing into these entirely new plants and animals, these entirely new beings. I was very inspired by this novel because it felt like it spoke to something that I had always experienced, but had never had the words for. And so my art really reflects that.